Good morning. Today we will learn how to convert a basic nebulization mask into a mask which can supplement oxygen. As you know, we should supplement oxygen along with nebulization to children to prevent hypoxia during nebulization. My postgraduate will today demonstrate the simple methods to convert the basic nebulizer mask along with an oxygen mask.
Good morning. Today we'll demonstrate to convert the ordinary mask which is provided to the nebulizer with having an oxygen port with a simple techniques, and the requirements to convert this oxygen mask to having oxygen port as IV set, oxygen port mask, scissors. Now we will take the IV set, and from the drop chamber end you cut the drop chamber 5 mm distance from the lower end with the help of a scissors, and after cutting this you can get the drop chamber separated from that IV set like this. Cutting the drop chamber 5 mm distance from the lower end, you take the remaining IV set a 6 inches distance from this end and cut it down. And with the same IV set, you take the rubber tube end on the patient side end, and you separate the rubber tube end from this connection point. Next, you have to do a small nick in the oxygen face mask from inner side, so that the IV set point which you have separated, it must be crossed to this, and it must be kept like this. Now the other end of this tube is connected to the rubber tube which is separated from the IV set. And we will get the circuit like this. And now this port is connected to the oxygen port which is connected to the oxygen flow meter on other side. Now we can get this circuit hole completely. One side having oxygen support from the nebulizer, having fluid suspended here, and the other side having oxygen support from the oxygen flow meter. So we conclude that with a conventional nebulizer mask, normal conventional nebulizer mask can be converted into an oxygen port having nebulizer mask with a simple techniques, with a cheap methods like having a IV set with a normal IV set and a simple oxygen port. We can convert a normal nebulizer with having supported by oxygen flow. Dr. Madhulika, postgraduate in Department of Pediatrics, Rangaraya Medical College, Kakinada. Thank you.
I am Dr. Ganesh, PG in Pediatrics Department, Rangaraya Medical College.